Hi, I got an interesting request from you, and I decided to shoot this short video to demonstrate how modern solution like HiStruct can compare to the previous roof designer you had. So let me share my screen, and here we go. HiStruct contains a list of projects, even quote requests if the configurator is published online for your customers, and even the list of available contacts. So if you start a new project and you name it, then you can search a contact within the list of available people so that the information about them are automatically included in your project. Then if you then go into the individual configuration, you usually start with geometry, and there is a available set of predefined geometries, but the most flexible is to create a new boundary and draw a building of roof of 10 meters 5. Then you can use the standard CAD features to finalize the solution, and configurator will automatically detect the edges, roof planes, flashing lines, etc. You requested also the feature to measure the roof ridge, and here you can see that it's 5 meters, but by adjusting the individual slopes, let's say like this, you can adjust the length of any part you want, so that then you can again easily measure it's 4 meters, for example. Once you have the model completed, you see the 3D geometry in a simplified shape, and if you go one step further, it contains certain sheeting. We will of course customize the available roofing so that from the selection of available sheetings, it will contain the catalog of your profiles. We can, for instance, now choose a basic seam panel of a certain color and certain properties like the width, the thickness, the material. Um, yeah. This simple representation shows where the panel is placed, and by editing the individual layer like the seam panel, you can even jump into tiling and see how do we tile it, what is the covered area, what's the total area, what's the utilization ratio, and you can decide to choose different orientation and alignment of the panels, whether it is from the left point on or from the right point. And this can of course be done for every individual item on the roof. So if you want to go on this side and see the tiling again, it's pretty easy to do. Or you can directly also see the bill of material so that the amount of panels that you need with a proper length is available here. Moreover, if you go further, you can even choose the color of the cutter and the flashing, and this can again contain available colors based on your product line so that it fits perfectly to what you want to offer. And finally, you receive a full 3D visualization of the roof that can be easily shared with the client, plus a set of reports that will help you to prepare the quote, or it will even give you the possibility to print quote directly from HiStruct. First of all, it's the measurement report, so that out of the known geometry, you will be informed about the length of the flashings, the total area and slope of individual planes. And this is also generated automatically online directly in the configurator so that you can see the individual planes, the list of individual roof areas, and the length of flashings. Next to that, you can also create a sheeting BOM so that it means the total amount of panels that are requested, uh, layout drawings, and also tabulated data about the needed profiles. Here we go. So that for the individual planes you have such results with the list of material, and you can download it or use it in any other software. And then you also have the product parts, the bill of material, including flashings and maybe also fasteners or whatever other accessories you want to add into the quote, or complete side views for the rendered view of the configuration that you can also share with the client using the link or predefined rendered views. So this is usually the use case that you want to have being the sales representative. And maybe in the next video, I'll also show the advanced features or simplified features for customers requesting a roof from you.